Hello guys, how are you doing? I just came back from a huge huge European Anesthesia Congress, which happened in Geneva luckily this year. And Harry was kind of depressed. And I thought that maybe a little chocolate cake, very rapidly done, would do him some good, because we all know that chocolate is an antidepressant. So let's go to the kitchen and quickly and quietly make one. Okay, first choose a big mug, preferably funny. Pour in 4 tablespoons of flour. Two tablespoons of cacao powder. Quarter tablespoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of coconut or any other sugar. Stir everything up very well. Add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup and 3 tablespoons of soya or other plant milk. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and then stir everything very well to form a batter like this. Finally, add a piece of chocolate and put it in the microwave oven for 2 to 3 minutes in high power. Whoa!
Whoa there!
Okay, this looks cool. Let's try it.
It's good. It's been a while. I don't know what to say.
Like if you liked it or not.
I like it.
Good.
That's it.
Would you eat it again?
Probably. Yeah, definitely. I'll just...
No, don't touch mine. So, look at it. It's cakeish, but it has this melted chocolate.
So it's a muffin.
It's so good.
How many of these do we have?
Just this one.
You're gonna have to make more, you know that.
Yeah. I'll be honest with you, I did not expect that to be good. I was like, how can
This is gonna suck.
how can a mug cake of 2-minute cooking could be good?
It's
This
chocolate.
is really good.
Everything chocolate is good.
Yeah, but it also has a little bit of peanut butter.
Oh my God.
Peanut butter. And it has a piece of chocolate bar.
It's the chocolate bar vegan.
Absolutely. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was an unexpected huge success, so I really suggest you do it too. Especially if you're lazy like me. Okay, so until the next time, do like, do subscribe, and see you. Bye.